Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I will show you how to leave someone's Snapchat private story by using your Android mobile, and this trick also works on iOS platforms because the Snapchat app settings are common for all devices. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Snapchat application, and then in bottom it shows some icons. So here you can press that stories icon and the fourth one, and it shows one of my Snapchat friend private story. So I decide to leave this private story. So how to do it? So by simply long press on that story, and then I get the option called leave story. So simply select it, and it asks for confirmation. So you can select leave. So finally this process is completed. So this is the way you can easily leave someone's Snapchat private story by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.